It's early August 2004. I'm in Tampa Bay, Florida. There's a fear in the air. A strong fear. It's tangible. Charley's on his way. And I'm thinking, who's Charley? But Charley happens to be a Category 5 hurricane. Category 5 winds of 175 miles an hour plus. Winds so powerful they can rip the asphalt off a 6-lane highway. And I'm thinking, what? I'm English, we don't do hurricanes. What do I do? All the advice is to go east. What do I do? I've got 3 young children. Do I get away? Do I just up and go? But it can't be as bad as all this. It can't be really as bad as what they're talking about on the radio, on the TV. I hear people talking about it in the supermarket. They're scared. They're really, really scared. It can't be as bad as all that, can it?